So, this old dusty bag named Karen came into the shop and wanted her nails done. She said she wanted something trendy and that I could do whatever I wanted. So, I got excited and had the perfect Halloween set in mind. She was so stiff the whole session. Literally, I heard her fingers crack when I would move them. She kept pulling away, so I had to break her wrists just to get it in the position I needed. Well, so she looked at her phone the whole time, not looking at the nail design. When I showed her and told her, hey, I'm done, she said, oh no, I don't like these. I'm not paying for this. So I told her, oh no, you got to give me them back. I took them back. She thought she was going to say something, so I punched her in the mouth.